in response to my question about the SAKA tribe of Stodana Gautama, father of Siddhartha Gautama or Buddha, Mr. Nico Gerardi, Rome, Italy, a researcher of ancient history in Greece, wrote to me as follows. Yes, Hiroshi, Buddha's father was a Magi, but the Magi were Scythians that arrived in Iran. And then Wikipedia English writes about Scythians as follows. The Scythians, also known as Scyth, Saka, Sakae, Sai, Ishkuzai or Ashkuzai, were Eurasian nomads, probably mostly using Eastern Iranian languages, who are mentioned by the literate peoples to their south as inhabiting large areas of the Western and Central Eurasian steppe from about the 9th century BC up until the 4th century AD. The classical Scythians, known to ancient Greek historians, agreed to be mainly Iranian in origin, were located in the northern Black Sea and for Caucasus region. Other Scythian groups, documented by Assyrian, Achaemenid, and Chinese sources, show that they also existed in Central Asia, where they were referred to as the SAKA. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very important part of this video. Again, where they were referred to as the SAKA and Sai, respectively. ブッダの父親がバビロン周辺のサカ族の王であったことまでは突き止めました。それについてイタリア・ローマ在住の研究者のニコ・ジェラルディさんに問い合わせましたところ、次のような返事をいただきました。そうですよ、ヒロシ。ブッダの父親はマギ、つまりゾロアスター教の最高地位にあった神官でした。しかし、マギというのはイランまでやってきたスキタイト人のことを言いますと。で、そのスキタイト人について調べてみました。ウィキペディアには次のようにあります。スキタイト人は